rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Whiteaker, November 2nd, Abbott is holding a fundraiser at the North Salem Applebee's from 8 to 10 a.m. It'll be $8 for the adults, $6 for children, and they'll hold a wide variety of breakfast food. Make it a great week, Whiteaker.
Hey Whiteaker, a quick reminder to check out the Lost and Found. Missing anything recently? Water bottle, lunchbox gone, or maybe a cozy jacket? Make sure to pass by before parent-teacher conference, and then everything will be donated. It is located up front from the office.
Sports. Both teams tried really well, but sadly they lost to Claggett. The next game is a playoff on October 30th at 5 p.m. at McNary. Great job, cross country at All City. Last week in volleyball, Colburn, Sweeney, Tennant all won, besides Morrison, sadly. Amazing job, girls. You had a great season. The first game of the season will start November 5th. Be there to support your 7th grade girls. Have fun!
I don't have food. A lot of people don't have food. About 500,000 Oregonians experience a lack of food. That is almost the entire population of Portland. That is 500,000 too many.
You can help. From November 1st to November 15th, donate non-perishable food to your first period class in order to help 200 Salem Kaiser families have a Thanksgiving meal. The 2 classes that donate the greatest weight of food will receive a donut party.
Stuff the Bus is on Saturday, November 16th from 9 to 4 at Safeway in Kaiser. We will continue to collect food to help 200 Salem Kaiser families. Please be there.
My favorite book is the last Harry Potter book because I grew up with him, and so we had to wait 2 years for the next book to come out, so I was always really excited. I have wanted to be a teacher since I was in 2nd grade, and I would give the kids at my daycare homework assignments and help them work on their school homework, and I've just always liked reading and writing, so it was a good fit. I got my bachelor's at Western Oregon University, go Wolves, and then I got my master's through the American College of Education. Red Robin, bottomless steak fries, because they're delicious and bottomless, and you can get all the sauces. Hablo español, and of course English.
Oh no! My bike tire! It popped! Oh, there's Christian. He'll help me.
I got this.
Wow. Thanks, Christian.
Whiteaker Bike Repair Shop is open Thursday, 2:35 to 4 p.m. Manager Christian Russell, and the prices are below. And don't forget to pick up your Whiteaker Repair Shop forms from the office.
epidemic problem in the world.
In 2019, 268,000 new cases of invasive breast cancer will be diagnosed in women in the U.S., as well as 62,000 non-invasive situations of breast cancer.
This year, estimated 41,760 women will die this year.
2,670 men will be diagnosed with breast cancer this year in the U.S. and about 500 will die.
There are over 3.5 million breast cancer survivors in the U.S.
Death rates from breast cancer have been declining since the 1990s because of better screening, early detection, increased awareness, and improved treatment.
So please join us on October 31st in showing our support for breast cancer by wearing pink.